A new school year is upon us, and a lot of things have happened. Let's take a trip down memory lane and celebrate the amazing moments that helped make 2022 and 2023 unforgettable. Here's your NCC Semester highlights. It all started on August 15th as Nash Community College burst into life with the start of the semester. Students from near and far united for a journey of learning and growth. September 7th marked a milestone, the college's 55th birthday. Everyone on campus honored the college's rich history from its humble beginnings in 1967. The campus came together on September 11th to remember and honor the heroes of the 11th of September 2001, showcasing the spirit of unity and resilience. On October 27th, the Greens of Bienvenue Country Club saw swings and smiles as the 33rd annual NCC Foundation Student Scholarship Golf Classic raised a whopping $28,000. Halloween was a spooktacular affair, with Trunk or Treat bringing the community together on October 31st. Costumes, candy, and creativity filled the air, making it a night to remember. On November 17th, the Nash Community College Foundation awarded 284 scholarships, totaling $214,450, helping futures shine bright. December 1st saw exam week wind down, a moment of relief before the storm of exams. Hot chocolate, creativity, and camaraderie recharged student spirits. Graduates of the Electric Line Construction Technology program demonstrated their skills, climbing poles and earning their stripes. On December 14th, the Recruit Firefighter Training Academy marched proudly into the future, their intensive 19-week training shining through. 2023 started with a bang on January 5th at Nash's open house. New and returning students flocked to campus, excited to kick off the semester. They toured the campus, got their IDs, and even grabbed textbooks and supplies. On January 9th, the campus was buzzing with energy as we officially began the spring 2023 semester. Students, faculty, and staff all came together to make it an unforgettable year. A big salute to our 9 cadets who completed the basic law enforcement training program. On January 18th, they graduated, having endured rigorous training and learning essential skills to serve and protect our community. Valentine's Day brought a heartwarming event to Hawk's Nest. The Let's Share Some Love initiative was a huge success, bringing together the community to support the NCC food pantry and enjoy fun activities. On February 16th, students had a chance to chat and enjoy lunch with the chief, President Dr. Lou Honeycutt, an exciting opportunity to engage and connect. On February 28th, the Career and Technical Education Open House opened doors to elementary through high school students, giving them a glimpse of future possibilities at NCC. The Power of Her event celebrated female leaders and entrepreneurs, empowering them with essential tools for their businesses. Our Student Scholarship Sporting Clays tournament on March 23rd was a blast. The proceeds went towards supporting student scholarships and Skills USA competitions. March 31st and April 2nd took us on a magical journey to Almost Maine. The NCC drama players delivered enchanting performances, and the NCC Culinary Arts program catered a special dinner theater event on April 1st. On April 3rd, we celebrated the incredibly awesome achievements of our students at the recognition ceremony. Graduating students had a one-stop celebration on April 4th at the graduation fair. Caps, gowns, and loads of fun activities made it a next-level event. On April 18th, Nash hosted an incredible career fair, connecting students and community members with over 50 esteemed employers from various industries. On April 20th, we celebrated eco-consciousness with our annual tree planting ceremony, symbolizing growth and unity within our college community. Our talented students showcased their skills at the Skills USA North Carolina Championships in Greensboro from April 18th to the 20th. They made us proud. We are honored to be recognized as one of the nation's models of excellence by Skills USA. Our students' personal, workplace, and technical skills are truly top-notch. The FFA Regional Rally brought students and educators together, fostering collaboration and celebration. The Spring Fling on April 26th brought laughter and camaraderie as we enjoyed delicious food and fun activities. It's what our Blue Love community is all about. On May 4th, we celebrated our Electric Line Construction Technology graduates with a pole climbing rodeo and a graduation ceremony. May 10th marked a special day for our veterinary medical technology students, as they graduated and took a step towards their bright futures. Our nurses' pinning ceremony on May 11th marked the beginning of our graduates' medical careers. They'll go on to make a positive impact on countless lives. On May 12th, we celebrated our graduates with a drive-through and traditional graduation service. Way to go, class of 2023! Blue Love 2.0 took center stage on May 22nd. Faculty and staff gathered to discover Nash's revamped principal philosophy and spread positivity around campus. On May 25th, we proudly celebrated the graduation of a new class of Basic Law Enforcement Training Academy cadets. On June 9th, we hosted President Joe Biden and First Lady Dr. Jill Biden on a presidential visit. Nash Community College made history by being the first North Carolina community college to host a sitting president and First Lady. 5 NCC fire cadets completed the college's first 24-hour simulated shift, which provided hands-on experience of what they can expect in the fire service. And we closed the summer season with another Skills USA competition in Atlanta from June 19th to the 23rd. Team Nash rocked the stage. And that's a wrap on an incredible school year at Nash Community College. Thanks to all the students, faculty, and staff who made these moments possible. Let's keep spreading the blue love and have an awesome fall semester.